Hello YouTube fans, here's another video from Johnson, Kansas. When my dad and I first arrived out here in Johnson, Kansas, we went to the shop here out at my cousin's and waiting for the wheat to dry, so he had his John Deere 8335R and his 16-row stack-fold John Deere Model 1720 planter out here. So this is not a planter we see in the Midwest every day, and it's the first time my dad's ever seen a planter like this. So I got my dad up in the cab there, and cousin's showing him around, and he's going to fold the planter out for us. And I just got a couple-minute video of that. So just walk around the tractor here. They plant corn and milo with this. Also, they have the Demco saddle tanks on the side, or side tanks, and these are 350 gallons a piece. And they put on their 32% nitrogen and insecticide through here, or carry it in the tanks and then run it back through the planter. And like I said, they plant their corn and milo with this. They should be done planting. He said he did have a little bit of dryland milo he might have to replant, but anyhow, like I said, just quick video here. Nothing of it in the field, but Bud says he's got some drone footage of this planting from this spring he's going to send to me, so I can make a YouTube video of that. So hopefully we'll have that for you here in the near future. And I'll just talk about those stalk rollers you saw in the front there. So they do a lot of no-till or strip-till out here, and stubble damage is a pretty big thing to the tires. If you look back at the video of them cutting wheat, they had their John Deere 8430 on the grain cart. That was the planting tractor, and front tires on that tractor are chewed up pretty good from stubble damage. So when he gets to the field in the no-till situations where he's run over stalks, he can just put them rollers right down on the ground, and that'll knock the stalks down so it does not damage the tractor tires. So they seem to work out pretty good. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. Just thought I'd share a couple minutes of this. So hopefully we can get that footage from Bud and get it up here on YouTube of this thing running in the field. Thanks again for watching.